This training video will show you how to perform a cooled long pulse 1064 nanometer treatment with the 2mm and 6mm tips on the Harmony XL Pro Special Edition. Setting up. Connect the long pulse applicator into the port by inserting the connector, ensuring the screw is horizontal. Turn the screw clockwise to lock in the applicator. Laser handpieces are most secured on the V-shaped applicator holder. Lead with the umbilical cord down to securely rest the applicator. Ensure the red safety button is released. If not, swivel to release. Turn the key and tap Start on the welcome screen. The system automatically identifies the connected applicator. The laser module LP Nd YAG is displayed on the operation screen. The 2mm or 6mm tips can be connected in one orientation onto the applicator in a clockwise direction. The tip will be recognised on the screen. The 2mm tip is better suited for vascular lesions smaller than 1mm in diameter. The 6mm tip is better suited for vascular lesions greater than 1mm in diameter but less than 3mm. The tips must be paired with the horseshoe magnetic connector for epidermal cooling. Adjust pulse width using the button. Adjust fluence with the arrows. Cooling can be switched off or used at 100% intensity. It is recommended to keep this at 100% to protect the epidermis. The home icon will take you back to the welcome screen. The treatment. Examine and clean the treatment area. Remove all cosmetics, deodorant, moisturiser, and any other topicals on the skin, and remove any jewellery. The appropriate safety goggles for 1064 nanometer wavelength must be worn. If working on the face and neck, opaque shields need to be worn by the client. Perform a skin test prior to the complete treatment session. Set parameters according to the operating manual. Remove the applicator from the holder and secure the wrist with the safety strap. Switch to ready mode by pressing the standby button to start the treatment. The indicator lamp will flash. Using the red aiming beam, position the cooled tip perpendicular to the vascular lesion. Full contact is required without excessive amounts of force. Activate the laser by pressing the foot switch and then the hand trigger once. Immediately release. Do not stack pulses. Do not perform a second pass. Pulses should be spaced at least 1/2 to 1 centimeter apart. Following a laser pulse, press over the treatment area with the cooled tip to ensure vessel sealing and epidermal cooling. When treating a cherry angioma, pulse once to cover the lesion. The client should feel heat on the skin. However, if too uncomfortable, the fluence can be reduced. The device must be in standby to make changes. At the end of the treatment, set the platform to standby and return the applicator to its holder at the side of the device. The clinical endpoint is a change in vessel coloration, which can be either reddening, darkening, or blanching. Apply soothing cream or ice packs on the treatment area and remind the client of post-treatment instructions. Refer to the operating manual for in-depth post-treatment instructions. Cleaning. After the treatment, use 70% alcohol to clean the tip and the connector. 70% alcohol on a soft cotton cloth can also be used to clean the handpiece, umbilical cord, and console. Do not clean the lens of the tip with alcohol. Clean the lens after the treatment, inspect it for any dirt or debris. Apply the dust cap back onto the applicator when not in use.